Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet tissue box cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet tissue box cover design is a handmade decorative cover created using crochet techniques that spills over a standard tissue box to make it look prettier, cozier, and themed for a room's style. Instead of leaving the plain cardboard box visible, the crochet cover turns it into a stylish accent or even a little bit of art. Key features of crochet tissue box covers: shape and fit, usually designed as a cube or rectangular sleeve that fits snugly over the tissue box. Some have an open top for a tissue ball straw, while others feature a decorative slate or flower painting. Design style: classic solid stitch, simple stitches like single or double crochet for a neat, uniform look. Granny skirts, joint skirts with colorful patterns, giving a vintage homely feel. Floral or lace, openwork stitches or added crochet flowers for a delicate decorative style. Novelty covers, shaped like animals, houses, handbags, skirts, or seasonal themes. Yarn choice: cotton yarn for a clean, sturdy finish, acrylic yarn for bright colors and easy washing, 20 yarn for a cozy, rustic farmhouse look. Decorative touches: buttons, ribbons, appliques, or embroidered details. Seasonal motifs like pumpkins for autumn, snowflakes for winter, or roses for spring. Purpose: decorative, matches rooms decor, adds charm to bedside tables, bathrooms, or living rooms. Protective, keeps tissue boxes from getting scuffed or bent. Personalized gift, a thoughtful handmade present for housewarming, holidays, or birthdays. A crochet tissue box cover turns an everyday, practical item into a cute, stylish, and often vintage-inspired accessory for the home. Here are more tips for crochet tissue box cover designs to make them both practical and beautiful. First, design tips. From house style, use neutral yarns like cream, beige, or gray. Add rustic details like wooden buttons or crochet lace trim. Vintage goddess looks. Incorporate pastel colors like mint, blush, lavender, crochet little rose appliques, or use granny skirt motifs. Novelty fun creates covers shaped like animals or card. Crochet a card designs with a rope-shaped top. Practical tips: easy removal, make a button to tie it back a painting so you can replace tissue box easily. A structured fit, use tighter stitches for sturdiness so the cover holds in shape. You can add a thin cardboard liner inside for extra structure if needed. Texture play, mix stitches like bubble stitch, shell stitch, or popcorn stitch to add interest. Add 8 scallop or pickards. for a family touch. Size customization. Measure the tissue box before starting. Sizes vary. Cube or rectangle. Crochet panels separately and join or work in the round for a seamless fit. Styling ideas. Cozy corners. Match your cover with other crochet accents like towels, coasters, cushion covers. Gift idea. Pair the cover with a matching crochet bathrooms or vanity set like soap holder, baskets, and coaster. Creative styling tips. Add embellishments. Add crochet flowers, leaves, bows, or teeny hearts on top for a 3D effect. Color blocking. Use 2 or 3 contrasting yarn colors like cream plus navy plus shades for a modern look. Color blocking. Use 2 or 3 contrasting yarn colors like cream plus navy or plus shades for a modern look. Striped or ombre. Work in stripes or use gradient yarn to create soft ombre shading. Themed edge. Stress cloth ends for a geometric cottage fill or simple ribbed edge for a neat farmhouse style. Practical crochet techniques. Join as you go. Use granny squares joined together for a patchwork vintage vibe. Stitch variety. Mix textures like puff stitch, cable stitch, or moss stitch for added character. Removable lid. Make the top as a separate page, like a cap, so you can swap designs without changing the base. A stretchy fit. Add elastic inside the bottom jaw hidden for a snug but flexible hold. Home decor coordination. Matching sets. Crochet a matching coaster, plant pot cover or tissue box cover to style a corner as a set. Room themes. Bathroom. Use soft pastels, lace or seashell stitches. Bedroom. Romantic floral, delicate trim. Living room. Rustic neutral or boho tassels. Kids room. Fun animals, bright colors. Use playful appliques. Gift and seasonal ideas. Personalized touch. Crochet in details or monograms on the side. Holiday covers. Valentine's. Use straight heart appliques. Easter. Bunny ears on top. Luxury look. Add beads, pearls, or metallic thread for an elegant finish. Advanced design tips. With the panel effect, use open lace stitches like built crochet so the tissue box cover peeks through. Two-in-one design. Make the cover reversible with 2 color shims. Flip it inside out for a fresh look. Handle feature. Add a crochet loop or a strap on top so it can be easily lifted off. Eco-friendly twist. Use recycled cotton yarn or jute for a natural, sustainable farmhouse style. Decorative layer. Applique themes. Try crochet applique like sunflowers, strawberries, seashells, or butterflies to suit seasons. Rings or tassels. Add playful tassels or rings at the base for a boho-chic look. Teeny origami accents. Add as many crochet animals like a bee, owl, or cat to the corners for fun. styles. Make each side of the box a different design, like a storybook cube. Gifting and customization, personal label. Crochet or embroider a small tag with home, love, or in details. Child friendly, bright rainbow colors or character inspired like a bear with ears on the lid. Travel size, create a mini copper or pocket tissue packs, perfect for handbags. With this extra layer of creativity, your tissue box cover becomes not just functional but also a storytelling bit, a seasonal charm, or even a personalized gift. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!